everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today I'm gonna share with you how to roast perfect turkey for all the occasion. For Christmas or for any gathering you have, I'm gonna show you amazing recipe how to roast a perfect turkey. The turkey I have here, it's about a little bit under 5 kilos. The turkey neck and everything, but we don't want to get rid of any of those. Just leave it in the tray because this is going to be perfect for the gravy. Now before I prepare any rubbing, I just want to separate the skin from the turkey. So if you're not comfortable using your hand, you can use one of the chopstick. Insert it in between the skin and the breast and start moving it, pushing down into the breast at the time you're moving. You can see that, here you go. Make sure you push down to the breast because you don't want to make a hole in the skin. And you continue doing this to separate it completely. And on the side here between the cavity and the leg. Now for the rub, I have melted butter, and I'm going to add some minced garlic and a smoked paprika, and of course pepper, salt, and we're gonna mix it very well. Oh my god, smells so good, the smoked paprika in it. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add some lime as well. Voila, perfect. Now let's bring the turkey here, and we're gonna rub the turkey with the butter we just made. We're gonna put it under the skin, all over the breast from inside. Lift up the skin, put the butter, and you can use the chopstick again. Just roll the chopstick and you can see the butter going under the skin, all over the breast. And you continue doing this till you cover the whole breast. Now I want to put a few inside here. I'm just gonna let you see. I have some apple and an orange. It's gonna be sweet and savory flavor. And onion. And here I have some rosemary, and let's break it in small pieces. And fresh sage, and a few sticks of cinnamon, bay leaves. And I'm gonna add some garlic as well, just the whole garlic, just chop it like this. And let's use a brush, and let's brush all inside. And now let's stuff everything inside the cavity. Perfect. And the lime we use, we don't throw anything out, everything give amazing flavor. And a few bay leaves in the pockets between the leg and the breast. Perfecto. Now you see here in the bottom, so instead of using the strain to hold the legs, so this one will hold the leg for me. Here you go. Perfect. And now we're gonna cover it all. So you cover every single spot with the butter spread we made. Now for the wings, just twisted it and put it under the turkey like this. Just force it a little bit. Here you go. Now continue covering everything, so almost everything's covered Perfect. You have leftover apple, onion, bay leaves, oranges, lime, whatever herbs you have left over or fruit, just throw it in a tray beside the turkey because this is gonna give amazing flavor to the gravy later on. Nice, look at this. It's been for 2 hours and now I'm gonna add the water. And looking good. I'm not going to cover it. So it took about 2 hours and 10 minutes to reach 165, and now we're gonna have a nice juicy turkey. Let's move it, and I love this rag. It's so easy to work with. Here you go. Aluminum foil. Voila. Now let's put it on the side, and now in the meantime we're gonna work on the gravy. Smash the onion and the apple, the one we put there, so you can take as much flavor as you can from it. Now let's strain everything here. Perfect. I'm gonna empty it in a bowl here, and I'm gonna place the bowl in the freezer for 20 to 25 minutes. And the reason why we put it 25 minutes in the freezer, I don't know if you can see it, it's separated, so the unwanted fat on top and the pure turkey stock in the bottom. You ended up with the pure turkey stock. Now let's start here on medium high flour. You can see it start getting brown. Now I'm gonna add a little bit olive oil. Mix it with the olive oil very well. And now let's add the turkey juice. And let it simmer for a couple of minutes and thicken up and ready to go. Nice, look at that. Turn off. Beautiful. Lovely turkey gravy. Now everybody has a favorite. Some people the white meat, some people the dark meat, some people the wings. My favorite is the turkey oyster. I don't know if you know about it. And the turkey oyster, it's located. Let me flip the turkey on the side. Look at this, beautiful. This is, they call it a turkey oyster. It's located right under the thigh. Oh my God, so good. Now it's a carving time. For the white meat here, you can either slice it straight down here, or you know where's the bone here, the one that divide the breast, go beside the bone and cut all the way down and put the fork, and you can slice it sideways. Look at that, beautiful. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna eat. Oh my God, so good. Go straight to the gravy. See, I can't wait. Oh boy. Sweet and savory, juicy, and the gravy with it, it's unbelievable flavor. So now if you have a turkey at home, you know what to do with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.